Hey YouTube, so today we're going to show you how we modernized our taillights and the reason we did it. This is a 1998 bus, so they get a little old. And what you're going to find probably on your bus too if you do it. These housings have got old, they've cracked from just being out there and being vibrated. And here's one for you. Back in the day, this is probably the most high-tech and most expensive light bulb you could get. It's an old school LED, but we changed that. So what we did is we bought these Bergmans, and as you notice, they look like they would screw on the back, but they won't. You wind up having to match up what Prevost had. So what we did is we built ourselves a jig, and we JB welded these screws or bolts onto the back, and it makes for a nice transition. Takes a little time, but if you use the fast set JB weld, it goes pretty quick, especially when it's about 90 degrees outside. The other thing you want to do is you want to cut the back of these wires off, and that way you have a nice plug to plug right back in your bus. And we've been using these Wago connectors to hook everything up, test it real quick and fast, and later on we'll weatherproof them. So that's it for right now. We're going to add some more here on this video. We're going to try to do some editing where we can splice a little more together. But it turns out it makes for a nice, bright set of lights on the back and gives it a little more modern look. The jig wasn't hard to build, a couple pieces of scrap. Just play with it, you get it right, then it makes it easy to repeat. And there's where the taillight's on. A side benefit of testing everything on this bus is you get a good workout. It's 45 feet to the front, 45 feet to the back, and a few trips every day. You'll definitely lose a little weight. That's the plan, hopefully. Thanks. All right, and there's the finished product. Turned out a lot better. The other video I said got misspoken. To change out the incandescent, the LEDs to incandescents. It was the other way around. But as you see, this looks a lot better, a lot more modern, and they're definitely a lot brighter. We got one more light coming for this thing, but it's been back ordered like everything else nowadays. There'll be a center light that goes above that parking light, that when the brakes come on, it flashes amber 3 times real quick and then goes to a solid red. So hopefully, say in October 25th, it'll be off back order. We'll get it, we'll put it on and let you see how it looks, and we'll go turn the lights on and see how bright this is.